We have the managing director of Maxhub. Let's interact with them. Hi.
Hi everyone. We are Maxhub from CVT Group. Maxhub has been number one interactive flat panel brand in China for corporate, and we also have another brand called Seawall, is number one in China for education. But here in India, earlier this year, we launched our Maxhub brand as an interactive collaboration solution for both corporate and education. We're bringing here our solution for local and distance smart learning. For example, here we can see that on this screen we have two softwares. With this solution, we can basically record in the classroom, and after that share with everybody. Here you can also use this screen recording software to record any YouTube videos and edit as a content. Here is a software we cooperate with our third-party software partner. It's an AI attendance checking. We have many contents and software partners here in India. And here is our whiteboard software. The purpose of this is giving a student a new tool of interactivity on class, so they can change their traditional way of having different type of classes into a very collaborative and interesting way. The teacher can make annotation and easily do the modification here. And this is our premier solution we call the ultimate solution with built-in microphone and camera. It's a pure PCAP solution with EMR pen. Interesting thing is that we have built-in the microphone camera, so when you're having video conferencing or you have digital learning with remote schools, you don't have to connect any additional devices. It's all in one. So that's what we're here and trying to demo to everybody, our smart education solution. Thank you very much.